Here's how to change the long press and hold of your power button for your Nothing phone here. And this is going to allow you to either access the power off menu or the assistant or digital assistant. And here's where you can go to change these settings. To find these settings, use the quick access, pull it down twice until you see the settings right there. Once in the main settings of your phone here, you can type in the words long press in the search settings or go down to where it says system right here. Once in system now, go to gestures, and under the gestures section here, you're gonna see press and hold right there. And this now will give you access to these two options. And this is after the latest Android 14 update. You should have your screen looking like this here. It's either this or the digital assistant. When you long press it, it'll take you to the digital assistant here if you have that currently enabled, okay? And you can switch it back to the power off menu to get into these settings here, okay? And that's that, like and sub.